Make a great choice today with
The 2022 Explorer.
this vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission.
This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.